Someone's water heater just failed in Superior, Colorado. They pull out their phone, type in plumber near me or emergency plumber, and look at the results. If your plumbing business isn't showing up right there in the Google Map pack, they're calling someone else. That emergency call was yours, the repair job was yours, the money was yours. You didn't lose it because your work is bad. You lost it because you were invisible when it mattered most. Most plumbing companies in Superior stay invisible online for a few simple reasons. First, your Google business profile is incomplete, or your name, address, and phone number don't match across the web. Google sees those inconsistencies as a red flag and skips right over you. Second, you don't have enough recent reviews to prove to locals and to Google that you're the right call. Third, your website isn't clearly talking about Superior, so Google doesn't connect you to searches happening right in this service area. Fixing this doesn't require a massive advertising budget, a 12-month contract, or social media posts on Facebook. It requires fixing the fundamentals. We clean up your Google business profile, build accurate citations across directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages, earn real reviews from actual customers, and optimize your website so Google knows exactly where you operate. When you show up in the top 3 map results, the calls you get are higher intent. People with a plumbing emergency at 11 o'clock on a Sunday night aren't browsing. They're hiring. And when you're the plumber, Google puts in front of them, your phone rings. Stop losing high-value plumbing jobs to competitors who are just paying attention to the basics. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan. Or go to Casey'sSEO.com.